I have my phone ready to scan this QR code so that I can see my WhatsApp clone live on my phone. But that is not happening. Why? Simply because this local project is not connected to my Android phone. How does that happen? Expo has got NEAS, which stands for Expo Application Services. This is a platform that links your project and the mobile phone. Without talking too much, let me show you. As you can see, I have logged in the Expo website. The project that you see here on Visual Studio Code, this one, I also have it here. So this platform links the two so that when you are using your mobile phone, you can install an app called Expo Go and use that Expo Go to scan this QR code so that everything can be linked together. So what is the solution? The solution will be to go to the Expo documentation. We need to first install Expo EAS CLI. As you can see, here is the command to do that. So let's copy this, come to our code, and then here we need to stop this from running. And then what we can do, we can go to terminal. Let's just click a new terminal. This is the old terminal. We can delete it. So let's paste this. So npm install -- global EAS CLI. Let's click enter. Okay, for the sake of saving your time, I'm going to pause the video and come back when this process is done. As you can see, guys, we are done. Now that we have installed EAS CLI, we are not done yet. Our project and the phone, they are not synchronized. Why? Because we have not logged in yet. So as you can see here, we are done with this step. The next step is to log into your Expo account. How can we do that? We just need to copy this command. There was a problem with my recording, so I've missed the steps where I can show you, or where I was showing you in detail how I have solved the problem. But that is not much of a problem. I will give you some instruction as to what have I done up until now. So when I was trying to get into EAS login, this is the error that I got. This is the error that I usually get whenever I'm busy with something like this. So what I usually do, I'm not a genius, I'm not a smart guy, I just copy and paste this on Google. So that's what I did. After copying and paste on Google, I have followed this Stack Overflow solution. As you can see, this is what it is, what it says, and this is the URL. So I have just followed this, guys, until I found this. Okay, I have copied this and I did exactly as it says. Let's just quickly read. This is a PowerShell security policy. To fix it, run PowerShell as an administrator and run the following command. Let me just show you what I did. I've just opened here PowerShell. This is PowerShell, and I ran PowerShell as an administrator. Ran PowerShell as an administrator, and what I did, I just copied this. Okay, which one? I think it's this one. Okay, I copied this, but if I want to double check, I don't think I have closed my old PowerShell, which is this one with sign scope. Okay, so this is what I've copied, guys. Okay, and I pasted it here. Okay, since I have already did this step, okay, so this is what happened. Okay, so after that, I have pressed this A. Okay, and I was not sure if something happened, and I did the same thing again, and instead of pressing a small letter A, I have pressed a capital letter A to say yes to all. And this is what happened. And then after that, I went back to my Visual Studio Code. I ran the same command again, EAS log in. Okay, then it has asked me for a username, which is, this is my username, and it asked me for a password, and this is my password. And then from then it told me that I have been logged in. And then after that, I wanted to make sure that I am logged in. I have ran this command, EAS who am I, and it told me that I am Matthew underscore Singati, which these are my credential on Expo. I am Matthew Singati, the designer and developer. Don't forget to code badly with pride, because that's the starting point. If you feel like this video has helped you, please help me to reach 1 million subscribers by subscribing, liking my content, and share the video. See you on the next one.